Have you uninstalled the Bae Page Builder but noticed some code is still lingering in your Shopify theme? Don't worry, you are in the right place. This is actually normal behavior for any page builder app on Shopify. When page builders like Beae create your custom pages, they need to inject code into your theme to make everything work properly. When you uninstall the app, Shopify removes the app itself, but it can't automatically clean up all the code that was added to your theme files. Fortunately, Beae provides a simple one-click solution to remove all their code from your theme. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Before we start, make sure you have the Beae app installed in your Shopify store. We need to temporarily reinstall the app to complete this cleanup process. Once you have the app installed, open it in your Shopify admin. Navigate to Settings and then click on Advanced. You will see the Remove All Code of Beae app section. The app mentions this process takes 5 to 10 minutes, but in my experience, it's usually much faster. Click the Remove All Beae Code button. Confirm your choice by hitting OK when the alert appears. After confirming, you'll see a message letting you know you'll receive an email notification once the cleanup is complete. Now you just need to wait a few minutes. I received the confirmation email from Beae after just about 3 minutes, confirming that all code was successfully removed. Once you've received this confirmation, you can safely uninstall the Beae app from your Shopify store if you no longer need it. And that's it. Your Shopify theme is now completely clean of any Beae-generated code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.